tell you a little bit about where me come from. Just in case you're wondering how such a small island produce such unstoppable energy, talent, and pride. That's because Jamaica isn't just a place, it's a mindset. Small island, giant spirit. We come from an island that's just 4,000 square miles, but the weight we carry, massive. The energy we bring, unmatched. The pride we walk with, unshakable. So here are some things you should know. 1. We're little but we talawa. We might fierce. Confidence is in our blood. We don't wait on validation. We bring value to every room we step in. 2. Resilience and hustle. Ask any Jamaican, anywhere in the world. They will tell you, we know how to survive. We don't complain. We create, we hustle, we adapt, we turn struggle into strength and lack into legacy. Turn your hand, make fashion. That's a lifestyle. 3. Respect and manners. From the time we can talk, we were taught, respect bring you far. Simple things. Good morning. Yes, please. No, sir. No, mom. They are not just manners. They are values. We treat people like people. Dignity matters. 4. Freedom and rebellion. Our ancestors didn't just dream of freedom. They fought for it. From the Maroons in the mountains to modern day revolutionaries, Jamaicans don't bow easy. We question systems. We challenge limits. We don't take chat. 5. Vibes and positivity. Even when time's hard, we still laugh, still dance, still sing. From the corner shop to the dance hall, from a pot of soup to a sweet piece of rhythm, Jamaicans find joy in everything. Because no matter what, life's sweet. 6. Community and family. We don't move alone. We raise children with the village. We share what we have. We check in on our neighbors. We big up each other when we rise. Love and loyalty are the foundation of who we are. This is what it means to be Jamaican. It's not just an accent, or a flag, or a plate of oxtail. It's a spirit, a discipline, a joy, a force that can't be measured by geography or numbers. So whether you're born a yard or abroad, never forget the DNA that built you. We are Talawa. I'm a